Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about the custom GPTs that I use. So I've been getting into the custom GPTs a lot, and these are like the top 4 or 5 that I've been using. And another tip with projects is that ChatGPT doesn't have like a favorite features. So I just created a project called Faves, and I've been moving the chats, my favorite chats there. So that's a pro tip for you guys. And yeah, let's get to the GPTs. The first is the snap caption which I made. So I post daily design images on my social media like Twitter. So snap caption, I use it to upload something, and it gives a small caption with the emoji, and that's basically it. So GPTs are great for building, small stuff like this, so that I don't have to type the same things every day. Give me a 3 word caption for this product. I mean, I don't have to do this, so I can just create a custom GPT for that, and I upload everything in that. And other thing is lovable idea validator, so I get lots of product ideas, and I just send it to lovable idea validator, and see if it's worth pursuing. So that's good. YouTube is here, so there's I also upload daily YouTube videos here. So this is just for if I'm stuck on any title, so I just come over here and ask it for a title. So this is good. PRD writer. So while building products, I also try to build lots of products for myself, and this PRD document writer gives like a canvas of like it asks me questions, and it gives a very detailed PRD which I can copy paste into apps like Lovable, Chef, or Bolt. So that's what I use this for. Icon Finder is just it returns a icon from for icons, so I don't have to think about what icons to use from the icon pack, and I don't have to go in and search for everything. So I just send something here, and it gives me some icons that are perfect for that. So yeah, and component prompt is like for my have a project called Mina UI, which is just a collection of Shadsi and UI components with Tailwind CSS, and I just, if I want to create new components for that, I come over here and send it some stuff, and it'll give me ideas for new components for that. So yeah, these are all the GPTs that I've been using, and I've been trying out new stuff. So if I get anything else, I'll create a new video on that. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.